Hello, and welcome to the Spoon Harbor channel. Rhubarb season is here, and this tart might completely change how you think about rhubarb desserts. There's one secret ingredient in this recipe that makes everything work. Most people don't expect it here, and that's the point. I'll reveal it later, but you'll probably spot it before then. Let us start with the crust. Here is what you will need. 1 2/3 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon cold butter, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Add all dry ingredients to a food processor. Pulse until it turns into fine, buttery crumbs. That's it. Don't overthink it. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Add the egg and mix until it just comes together. Bring the dough together by hand, but don't overwork it. This is what keeps the crust tender and crumbly. Wrap it and refrigerate for 1 hour. Now for the filling. You will need about 4 to 5 medium rhubarb stalks, around 10 ounces before trimming, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, and 2 cups of our secret ingredient, which I will reveal in just a moment. First, peel the rhubarb and cut it into half-inch pieces. Toss it with cornstarch until evenly coated. This already starts to look like it's going somewhere good. Roll out the dough and fit it into a 10-inch tart pan. If it feels too firm, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes first. Press it in evenly and prick the bottom with a fork. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until lightly golden. Every oven behaves a little differently, so keep an eye on it. And this is where it starts to come together. Once the crust is ready, take it out and add the filling. Now for the twist. The filling is apple compote, not jam, not sauce. Apple compote. This is the same recipe from our apple compote video on the channel. It's a thick, cooked apple mixture that brings everything together here. You'll find the link on screen and in the description if you want the full recipe. Since the apple compote is already sweet, there's no need to add sugar to the rhubarb. That keeps everything balanced and bright. Spread the apple compote evenly over the crust. Then add the rhubarb on top and layer it evenly. This is where the magic starts happening in the oven. Bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are golden and your kitchen starts smelling like something you don't want to wait for. Let it cool completely before slicing. And now for the best part. Quality control. Sweet apple compote, tart rhubarb, and a buttery crust. That's the whole balance. Everything just works here. Cook with love, and remember you've got this.